Hi, this is Alan from Team Sahlen. I'm here today to talk to you about our partner at Malco. They produce all kind of detailing products that we use on our endurance race cars. Today I'd like to talk to you about their tire mounting lube. It's a really great product. It's super easy to use. It's pre-mixed. You don't have to mix it, don't need to dilute it or anything. You just dump it in your dispenser and you can either apply it with a brush or a spray bottle and it's ready to go. So the great thing about Malco's tire mounting lube, there's no mixing or diluting necessary. So all you got to do is just dump it in your dispenser and you're ready to go. You just insert your swab in your dispenser, pull it out, and you can see your swab is really saturated with the lubricant. And then you just make a couple swoops around the tire bead and make sure it's really well coated with the lubricant. Then you can put your swab back in your dispenser, and now you're ready to start mounting the tire. Now you can insert your valve core into your valve stem using your installation tool. Add air and set your air pressure. Thanks for watching this instructional video today on Malco's tire mounting lube. I hope you all learned something and saw how easy this product is to use. So we'll see you next time.